How's it going? And welcome to training. My name's Ian Sanders with Healthcare Unlocked and Oasis Financial Services. Today, what we're going to be going through is the health telesales cross-selling script. It's a script that I put together over several years. It kind of pulls a lot of different things together. And what it's designed to do is to give you the verbiage and the methodology to go through the call successfully and with confidence so that your clients can have confidence in you. One of the biggest problem that eight new agents have is that when they're first starting out, they don't know what to say. And so this is going to alleviate that. It'll make it a lot easier on you. And then as you master the script and start having your own experiences with clients and see what works for you and what doesn't, you can make those changes. But I'm going to break it down piece by piece so that you'll have the tools that you need and the understanding behind it so that you can have the most success possible. So what we'll do is we'll pull the script up here. And as you can see, it's a very, very basic script, and we're going to go through this piece by piece. It's not long. But what we're going to look at first today is going to be the introduction. Now, the opening or the introduction is going to be one of the most crucial parts of this. And the reason for that is this is where you're going to build confidence in the client, where they're going to actually say, you know what, I think this is legit. Because the moment that that client, the caller, or the one that you're calling, has an issue or thinks that this may not be legitimate, then they're going to disconnect the call. And you're always fighting against them disconnecting. So what you want to do is to let them know, hey, I'm calling for a reason. And the reason is you filled something out either online or sent something in, and I'm just here to address that need. And so it's very simple. Hey, John, I'm Ian, just getting back to you about this form that you filled out for info on low cost health insurance. You put your zip code as 85041 and your date of birth is 7/16/1963. Is that right? So it's very simple, very laid back. You don't want to sound too salesy. You don't want to sound nervous. What I would recommend is practicing this over and over again. Now, if you don't have the zip code, you can just say you are in the state of, and then give their state, date of birth as. So whatever information you have, you really just want to pick a couple of things so that you can let them know that, hey, I have your information right here in front of me, and I'm not really going to be asking you for too much personal information because you've already provided it. Once you've built that rapport with them, you've got them to the point where they have at least some confidence in what you're going to be going through with them, then at that point, you can continue on with the call. Now, if it's a referral, you don't need to go through this. Usually, if it's a referral or something, what I'll say is just, hey, John, this is Ian. I'm sure that Gina got in touch with you and said that I was going to be giving you a call. She said that you needed help with insurance. Is that correct? So something very simple like that. If it's someone you know, of course, you just talk to them normally, but you always want to sound as professional as possible, but not too stiff, not too rigid. The only other thing that I would say is that you need to kind of match their pace and match their tone. If they speak really fast, you want to try to speak a little quicker. If they speak a little bit slower, maybe they're a little bit older in age, you'll want to slow down for them that way. So hopefully this was helpful for you. We will go ahead and get back into the rest of the script on the next video, and I'll see you there.